Hi everyone, out you all. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into VeChain once again. Thank you for support. Big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now, VeChain for me is looking really bullish. Okay, we're looking really bullish. We've come up here, we've broken out this level of resistance which I gave you. We've come into the 1414. We've got a little bit of a rejection right there, and we've come back and we're holding support of this neckline that we've broken out of. Okay, look at this. Boom, 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 boom. How close to the apex did we get? And then we broke out. Like I said to you, as you start to come close to the apex, you do usually see a breakout, and we did get that breakout. So that was lovely. Ran into a key level resistance of 1414, come back to a key level support, looking for continuation. So right now for VeChain, you are putting in a bit of a hidden bullish divergence here, because you've got a low and you've got a higher low just there in the price action, and then just here in the RSI we've got a low and a lower low. Do you see that? Let me show you. So slight divergence just there, and I do think that this is where you get this lovely little bounce. Potentially, if we can hold this support right now, this way a lovely little bounce when we start to come back up and attack these highs, and attack this 1618 technical target that we're actually in, because we've broken the high just there, and equally it's the WW bottom pattern target as well. So VeChain looks like it's gearing up for the sort of little leg up. Okay, it's come back, it's holding support, it's looking relatively healthy for continuation is VeChain. So if you was to get the continuation from here, you could be looking at a lovely little long up round about 9.10% for VeChain. Okay, but it is all about Bitcoin. If Bitcoin's going to roll and have a correction, then you will see VeChain lose its key level support right here at 0.11523774. Now if it does, this is an area that I would like to see hold for VeChain. Okay, so if you was to see a bit market roll, put some cheeky bids on that particular level support, because I do think if you start to lose this key level support down here, potentially you come down here and get a beautiful level support off this neckline. Okay, I do think the market's bullish, but I've always got to show you the support targets. That's what I have to do. That's my duty to you. Okay, I'm not some kind of moon boy that says we're going to keep going up forever. I say to you, look, if you lose support, you've got a technical target to the downside, which you want to see held, and if you break resistance, you're going to run into resistance above. And that's exactly what VeChain is doing. It's running to the 1414 like a boss here. Look at that on the nose. Look at that. Boom, 1414. Confluence. You're working through the fibs. You're coming back to the swing high. Basically, the resistance point at which you were struggling to get through for so long, you're holding it as support, you're pulling in a hidden bullish divergence, so potentially you could actually break out here. I do think that if you start to break out here, you will be in an actual new impulsive wave from here to here. Okay, so it's all continuation. You come up, you've hit your 1618, but I do think you might get a little bit extended there and run a little bit above that to 1287.206. So if it does start to come back down to this trend line, put some cheeky bids on this particular level of support, obviously with stop losses, because you could be looking at a beautiful impulsive wave around about 11.48% once it breaks this high up here at 0.12345. Look at that, 0.12345. That's amazing. So that's basically VeChain. It's slowly going up the stairs. I mean, look at how it's conforming to this level of support. Just a couple of little fake outs like that. You might even get a little fake out here, and people think, oh no, it's going to zero, and then it breaks to the upside. That's why we've always got set stop losses. So do something like this, boom, 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 boom. And slowly but surely get back up the stairs. You potentially get a little bit flat here again and form some kind of ascending trial again. You're moving up slowly, move up slowly, move up slowly, something like that. But then eventually, when Bitcoin breaks that high, this is where you're going to see the VeChain rally, come up to these levels of resistance just up here to test them as support. I mean, on the hourly time frame, look, you can see just here you was quite overbought there, and that's why you've peaked out and you've rolled. Okay, so always keep an eye on the RSI, but you're looking really good. You are looking good for continuation in my book. It's looking really bullish. But again, I've not got a crystal ball, and nothing I say is financial advice, but we are slowly moving up the stairs. You've got your level of support, your level of resistance that I do see VeChain sort of marching towards here for VeChain. That's basically VeChain. Take care, everyone. Enjoy the update. I hope you enjoy the update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.